Yeah, this is again one more PYQ. Okay, this is a PYQ question which appeared in 2023, and this is set one. Okay, right. So, what is the question? We'll see what is the question, and accordingly, we'll solve the problem. So, given with us is that so what is given? Given, so we'll write step one. Step one as given sine alpha is equal to 1 by square root 2 and cot beta is equal to square root 3. So we need to find what is the step 2. Step 2 to find cosecant alpha plus cosecant beta. So this is what this one. So we'll go with the step 3. Step 3. See, first we'll try to find what is cosecant alpha. What is cosecant alpha? So we know from from the uh, given terms, we know sine alpha is equal to 1 by square root 2. So we know that cosecant alpha is reciprocal of the sine. This becomes 1 by square root 2. So I can actually still more, mathematics, it should look very, very systematic way. So this is 1 by 1 by square root 2. So this becomes 1 into square root 2 by 1. So ultimately the answer is square root 2. Okay. So this is square root 2. Step 4, we write step 4. Okay. We write step 4. We want to find cosecant beta. But we know that cot beta, let us go to the problem. We know the cot beta is root 3. We know that cot beta is given as root 3. Now we need to find cosecant beta. So that means we need to immediately recollect the identity between cosecant and cot. So angle being beta, the identity is that 1 plus cot square beta is equal to cosecant square beta. Or simply putting, since we have an identity 1 plus cot square A is equal to cosecant square A. You can write as a general identity we know. Okay. So here we write this as cot beta whole square is equal to cosecant beta whole square. This will become 1 plus square root 3 whole square is equal to cosecant beta whole square. So coming this becomes 1 plus 3 is equal to cosecant beta whole square. So this is 4 cosecant beta whole square. So now the cosecant beta will become square root 4, which can be plus or minus 2. So what is that we need to find? See, sine alpha is given as positive, cot beta is also given as positive. You should be very careful here. So we are given sine alpha as 1 by root 2, cot beta as root 3. Let us go back and check again. And cot beta is root 3. Now we obtained that cosecant alpha is equal to square root 2 and cosecant beta is equal to plus or minus 2. That means this implies either it is 2 or minus 2. But given that sine and cot both are positive, that means it implies it lies in first quadrant as well as the third quadrant, both are positive. So we can say this entirety, in the entirety, we can say that the angle lies in, cot beta is in third quadrant. We can say this as cot beta is in third quadrant. Or we should be careful enough because beta angle it is positive, alpha is also positive. Which angle we should take, that is very important here. We should understand. But nothing is mentioned about whether all the ratios are positive or negative like that. But as there are two angles, alpha and beta, alpha is positive, they have given. So we can consider this as quadrant 1. Beta is positive, it is given. We can consider this to be as the third quadrant. So doing that, what we say is that the cosecant or the sine beta, we should consider it as minus 2. And the cosecant alpha is positive and cosecant beta can be minus 2. You have to mention or you have to write all these things, then your question will be very much valid or your justification will be very much valid. So ultimately the answer is cosecant, yeah, let me take another, yeah, yeah. So cosecant alpha plus cosecant beta is square root 2 minus 2. So we can mention this like this. So this is still more I can write square root 2 minus square root 2 into square root 2. I can take square root 2 common. So I can take it as 1 minus square root. Because nothing is mentioned about that. And one more justification is that nothing is mentioned about angles in this particular question. You can say alpha beta lies in the first quadrant and then directly you can approach to the what you call both as positive and then choose it. The other way, how do we solve this problem the other way? The alternative way to solve this problem. So let us go with without identities. I want to solve this the alternative way. Alternative way. See in the above formula, above this one justification is that alpha and beta are in first quadrant. My answer will be root 2 plus 2. Okay. Simply putting that. Cosecant beta. How much cosecant beta we got? Cosecant beta to be as uh, 1 plus 3, 4. Yeah. So let us alternative way. Given sine alpha is 1 by root 2. That means the angle is 45 degrees. Given, uh, let me write it again. Cot beta is square root 3. Then beta will become 30 degrees. Now I have to find cosecant alpha. Very simple. Cosecant alpha is reciprocal. I don't have to look at anything. Simply this. And the cosecant beta will become cosecant 30 degrees, which is 1 by sine 30 degrees. Simply putting 1 by 1 by 2. Answer is 2. So my total answer cosecant alpha plus cot, sorry, cosecant beta. Okay, here it is cosecant beta. My answer is square root 2 plus 2. Finished. My answer is over. Either way, the justification is done, but because of the time constraint and the marks, you should be in a position to solve accordingly. We'll see the other question in the next session.